Winter's coming, and if you're planning on tackling projects in your garage, a cozy workspace is a must. Garages can get freezing, especially since they're not insulated like the rest of your home. But don't worry, there are garage heaters designed to keep your space warm, even with drafty windows and unsealed doors. We'll walk you through the top 5 heaters that are perfect for your garage, so you can stay comfortable and focused all winter long. At number 5, we have the Mr. Heater Big Maxx Natural Gas Garage Heater. This heater is the best natural gas option, providing efficient and powerful heating for large spaces. If you have an uninsulated wood garage or an otherwise minimally insulated space, this large ceiling-mountable garage heater is worth a look. It runs on natural gas, a propane conversion kit is included, and with the help of a built-in electric fan, it can warm areas up to 2,000 square feet, thanks to its impressive 80,000 BTU output. It also has a powered exhaust that allows for vertical or horizontal venting. Note that the Big Maxx does not come ready to install. You'll have to purchase a thermostat, gas hose, fittings, and regulators separately. For all but the most mechanically advanced, it's best to have a licensed heating-cooling contractor install this garage heater. In 4th place, it's the HeatStorm Smart Outdoor Heater. This heater is the best smart option, allowing for remote control and smart home integration. Thanks to its Wi-Fi capability, you can operate this heater from virtually anywhere to ensure your garage is warm when you get home, or to heat up the space in advance of spend time at your workbench. You can turn the unit on and off and set recurring schedules through the app. The garage heater is rated as capable of warming a 1,000 square foot area, with an adjustable output of up to 20,000 BTUs. There's a 3,000 watt low setting and a 6,000 watt high setting. The heater mounts to the wall or ceiling, and its large digital temperature display is easy to read, even from across the room. For the price, though, it's a bit disappointing that the garage heater doesn't include the wiring. At number 3, we have the Dyna-Glo Electric Garage Heater with thermostat. This heater is the best all-season choice, offering versatile heating for year-round comfort. Thanks to its wide range of temperature settings, this garage heater from Dyna-Glo is the unit we recommend for all-season use. It has 24 options for heating or cooling spaces from 50 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, plus it offers a fan-only mode for summer. There are 2 power settings, 7,500 and 10,000 watts, and it's able to heat spaces up to 1,000 square feet. The garage heater also has adjustable angles for horizontal and vertical airflow, and it comes with a convenient remote control, as well as a built-in timer. Coming in at number 2, we have the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy Garage Heater. This heater is the most affordable, delivering reliable warmth without breaking the bank. For a compact and affordable garage heater that's ideal for targeted heating, this propane-fueled unit from Mr. Heater is your best bet. Small but mighty, it offers 2 heat settings, 4,000 and 9,000 BTUs, using a single 1-pound liquid propane canister. It can heat up to 250 square feet and works great on the floor by your workbench or desk. It can run for up to 3 hours on high, or if you need it to go longer, you can upgrade to a 20-pound tank with an adapter that's sold separately. The heater size and weight makes this unit convenient to reposition, and it's easy to bring with you out to a shed, campsite, or other workspace. And at the top spot, number 1, it's the Infrared Heater DR975. This heater is the best all around, providing a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and convenience for any garage. This 240-volt compact garage heater is the best all-around choice for most spaces, with 7,500 watts of power and the option to mount it on the wall or ceiling. According to the manufacturer, it warms the typical garage or unheated building to between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit and should be installed with a foot of clearance from combustible surfaces. The garage heater's adjustable louvers allow you to direct air where you need it most, and there's a remote-controlled thermostat right on the front of the heater. A wall-mounted thermostat is available for the unit as well, but it's sold separately. We hope you found the perfect heater to fuel your projects all winter long. Now install your new hardworking helper and finally feel comfortable under its warmth. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.